Today I'm going to show you the new Work Planner tool in Operations Center. So to start out, go up to the Plan tab on the new toolbar and we'll select Work Planner. From here we can choose the crop season that we're creating a plan for and whether we want to create a tillage, seeding, application, or harvest plan. We'll go ahead and create a seeding plan. And then we'll go ahead over into the right and select Plan Seeding. So we'll start out by choosing the crop that we're creating a plan for, whatever varieties we would like to create a plan for, products that we're going to be applying during planting, and then we can also drop down this More Details option and select our equipment, our implements. We can select multiple implements here as well, and our operators. If you need to include a work order number or any work notes can be added here as well. Then we'll select Next in the lower right, and here we're going to select which fields we're going to create a seeding plan for. So we can filter out by typing in up at the top here. So we're going to choose our test plot and our other test plot here, and we'll select Next in the lower right, and then we're going to set up our field details. So we'll be setting details for whichever of the fields we have selected on the left side over here. So for the first test plot here, we can either set rates by clicking this button and then individually typing in what we want the rates of each of these varieties to be. Change this to seeds per acre, and then we can put in a value for our product. Otherwise, we can also add our prescription files from right here. So if we click Add Prescription, we can choose the prescription file that we want to apply for each of our varieties. Make sure that we get our units correct again. We can also set a prescription for our product from right here. So if we go ahead and select our product prescription, check our units, we'll be good right there. So once we have our product set up and our prescriptions applied, we can scroll down a little ways and choose which guidance lines we want to go out with our setup file. So we can select all of our guidance lines or just select particular ones here. The stars over on the right side are going to be whatever line we want to come out as the active line. So if we want this main line to go out and when the operator brings up this work plan, for it to be the first one that's active, we'd go ahead and select the star over on this side. You can also just include all guidance tracks by selecting Include All Guidance Tracks right here. So once we have our guidance lines selected, our rates and our prescriptions set up, we can go ahead and select Save. And then we've got our plans for each of our fields here. So we can send all of them out at once, or we can just send one at a time. Select it, choose Send to Equipment. It's going to let us name our setup file, and we can send it to machines from here. You do have to have the 20-3 software on the Gen 4 display in order for Work Planner to work with that display. So none of the machines that I have in the account right now are going to currently work with that. So we'll go ahead and just select Send, and it's going to create our file, and then we'll be able to go to Files here and find it. From this page we can also come up and complete work. So if we have our plan set up for the whole year and we have a piece of equipment that's not maybe JD-Link capable, we can come up and complete our seeding work from this list by hitting Complete and Complete Work, and it'll remove it from the list. From this page we can also delete work out, so if our seeding rates or our prescriptions change or something like that for this field, we can just delete this one out and create a new plan. Or we can come in and hit the arrow over to the right, and we can change our varieties or our products from right here. So that is creating a seeding plan in the new Work Planner tool in the Operations Center. Thanks for watching.